You guys go new fist. Better believe it.
Are we going
Not
guns?
anymore.
Alright, do we want to go left or right at the choke?
Left.
What?
Left. Actually, no, right. Go
What?
Right. Right, we'll use the old Jabatum tactic.
Okay, yeah. New, you know how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright, everybody, just... Hey, Wish, do you want to break?
I'll do whatever.
Yeah, go break. Here, everybody go ahead and just stick with the Reinhardt, not Reinhardt, sorry, Lucio. Just be their shadow. And it'll be a good shit. Here, let's practice it in the lobby. Where is Lucio? Alright, here he is. Alright, everybody just stay with Lucio, let's go.
Stop Jabating me, New.
New with these
Dude,
advanced
fuck you.
strafing tactics.
Fuck you, New. He's using
Alright,
advanced
there we
strafing
go.
tactics.
Alright, cool. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? Just stay with the Lucio.
Remember, New, call where we're going, okay? Call when you want us to move back.
Save amp for the debate, okay?
Oh, I've been talking and I haven't been using push to talk.
What a cuck.
The right room, into the right room, into the right
yep.
room.
I think they're running goats as well.
No, they have a Hanzo.
They have
Hanzo Ash.
One. I've run down. Go around.
No. Hey, no, come back. Speed us back. Go, yeah.
committed. That Ash
Oh,
melted
fuck.
us.
Don't worry, no. Oh, shit. I came out way too late. I'm so sorry. I got lost.
I got the cookies!
I got the cookie. Let's regroup. That was my fault entirely. I came out late.
Alright, we can't do that again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It only
So
works
what's that
once.
tactic? We'll just go main
Let's go
then.
from the left.
Oh, on the left. Sounds good.
Wait for our D.Va. Our D.Va's not.
Yeah, David got staggered.
Yeah.
Oh wait, are we
so
going
back.
left or? Oh, I see.
Up,
Let's just go
up
main.
left.
Okay.
Main left. I'll have bubble for you when you get more aggro.
Dropping my shield right now. You think Cy is shatter? I'm dropping my shield
Yeah,
again.
maybe.
There's dynamite.
Let me see my shield.
I don't have
Yeah.
that.
Oh, good block.
I'm down.
Stun.
I had an orb on you. It's slow going.
I'm sorry, Neo. I wasn't able to block it for you.
No, it's okay.
I've got trans here. I'm gonna die here. I have trans. Alright,
Alright,
Trans,
after
great.
I think we should go Moira break.
Yeah, we don't have. We're not winning these fights quickly. We just need more sustain.
Okay.
The fights to go
Well,
on.
do you want me to trans us
Sounds
in
good,
and then
sounds
we can
good,
swap?
sounds good.
Yeah, trans us in. We'll transfer the fight and then switch.
Alright.
And you can go break, I'll go Moira.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm gonna go around right and see if they can get a stun.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
she's up top.
My shield's out.
No, I didn't get it.
My teeth. Fuck.
Oh, fuck.
So I can die.
Get the run.
Get the rank.
Trans is one. Oh, it's over.
Get the rank.
He's stunned.
Right,
Come back.
Fuck, I'm down. Alright, I'm swapping.
Hanzo's to the
On the
right.
right side.
We got shatter again.
I'm gonna see if I can try and deal with any of these snipers because they're not even getting touched right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just
Straight
switch up our
and
comp completely.
There's a bar comp.
Yeah, we can. Sure.
There's our comp, and let's get ready to push. Cy's gonna have shatter again, so keep
Yeah.
me up. I'm gonna have to play a lot of corners here,
Yeah. No, here I can do it.
because I need that shield.
I'll do far here.
Play it safe just in case he gets it through. Gets close to getting it through. And I need to get past him so I can drop my shatter.
I'm going to high ground.
I'm gonna. I'll throw my bomb in so he has to turn around and then you can shatter.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Well,
It's
I
a
got their
counter
fan.
shotter, Jared.
Oh fuck, I'm down.
Oh shit, I didn't realize we had so little time. I can't touch.
It's good.
Yeah, I don't think I can either.
It's okay, guys. It's okay, guys.
It's okay, it's okay.
That's my
Oh,
bad. I
that's-
totally booped him into you guys.
No. Boys.
I'm not
It's
a
okay to be
boy,
gay.
chef. I'm a man. A big, strong man.
I'm a big. Well, it's our coach's team, so.
Yeah.
No, Cy. Wait, open that shit up. I want some of that food. Yo, my brother's got food, guys. You want
Hey,
Are they?
hey,
some? Oh, the cookies, man. You
Chef.
want some cookies, guys?
chef.
He isn't here. It's Cy's team, okay? Calm down. The Bob's a different coach. Oh my god, y'all. Guys, my brothers are retarded. White shits. What?
They're restarting, so that they might get the whole map.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, shit.
Alright, let's go.
Put it there. No.
What a comp, boys. What do I
I fucking
wanna
love
do?
cookies, guys. Holy shit.
Yeah, Cookies is a pretty chill player.
You guys like cookies?
They're chill.
There you
What
go.
kind of cookies?
I don't know, there's just a bunch here. I'm eating them all.
Oatmeal raisin. Oatmeal raisin cookies, Neil.
Oh, fuck out of here.
Nah, dude, chocolate with peanut butter chunks. That's my shit right there. Get that with a glass of milk. That's where it's at.
Oh, okay, so. So, Wish, if you want to learn something about our team, when we become professional and we're getting sponsors, the first thing we're going to get sponsored by is a milk company.
The second being an egg company.
An egg company. And the third being a dildo company.
What?
Fuck.
What?
Hang on, that was not on the agenda.
Diva's full goats.
Hold on, right side.
It looks like goats. Far right side.
Alright, rotating left, rotating left. Let's
Anna
go.
goats, Anna goats.
Kill the Rhine.
Shit. Stuck, I'm dead.
Huge
So many
anti.
are anti. Diva one.
My bad. Remember, focus on the Rhine, focus on the Rhine.
Oh no. We shouldn't have.
Rhine time.
Bring on me, bring on me,
Great
bring
pick,
on me.
great pick.
Sorry, a
I'm
half.
down. I'm gonna set dragon.
Alright.
It's okay, it's
Back
okay.
up.
It's okay, it's okay. We should have expected the goats, and I should have gone a far instead of a Hanzo. That would have been way better.
I shouldn't have countercharged, my bad. Size deep, kill him!
How?
Oh yeah, my bad. I got really excited.
They were all deep. They were all deep. Oh god, poor Wish.
Bigger per second.
It's okay. I knew she was gonna kill me.
Le pass. I fucked it up. Shit. Backing up. I'm sorry, that was my fault entirely.
Oh.
Blue, what are you doing? Okay, we'll get this slight regroup and then we'll get ready to engage. Remember, Ryan's the focus.
Have six.
Ryan's gonna definitely have Shatter. No
I'm
question
staying with
about it.
Widow for the.
And a 1.
Fuck! Yeah, she is. Good shot.
Good pick, good pick. I'm gonna go res Hanzo real quick.
No, 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 no. Ah,
Oh, I'm sorry.
it's okay. I
Careful,
was trying
on
to
you.
swap.
Leave on me.
He's up on you. Or blue, sorry.
Oh, Valkyrie.
I have mana.
Are we touching?
He was up top.
What are we doing?
Shit, I thought I was on point.
No.
My bad, my bad. Fuck. Side
Nice.
down, I'm pulling back, No, that was my bad, Blue, my bad. Fuck.
He was so
Back
top.
up,
Hanzo,
back up.
help.
Honzo, back up.
Hanzo, help.
Mercy,
I'm
back
trying,
up.
I'm
Luffy's
trying.
Back up. You're in their spawn.
I'm trying to get out, man. I'm trying.
We have a lot of ults.
I'm using mine. Let me know when it goes through the point. Oh, oh, oh. Okay.
There, Reinhardt's coming up behind us. Watch out for Shatter.
The Reinhardt's gonna have Shatter, yeah. Keep an eye on him.
Watch out for a bomb too, maybe.
Keep me up. I'm dropping my shield right now. It's gonna go down.
Good pick. Alright, you.
I hate shift this fucking game.
He's low, he's low.
Shit, my bad. He's low, Side. Nano's out, Nano. I mean, beats out.
Keep
Swing
in
him,
the back,
keep
keep in
him,
the back,
keep
keep
him,
in the
keep him.
back. On me. Help, please. Focus
How
Ryan.
about?
Oh,
Oh,
fuck.
you're right. Sorry.
Fuck, my bad.
That's a move.
Not gonna
Side shitting on me, man. Blue, you fucking know it. Blue, you're so fucking good. You're actually getting mad kills too, no joke.
Okay.
How are we all doing?
Good.
Good. Who just cried? Stop crying. That's an order.
I'm sorry, Joe. I'm sorry.
That's fucking